Hi y'all, Sandy McTeer here with your Craft Minute from DecoArt.
I love using stencils in my artwork and on my projects. Did you know that DecoArt has a huge selection of stencils on their website? I have so many, in fact, that I'm going to share a quick tip with you on how to keep track of all the stencils you have. Create a journal, all the stencils that you have, so that it's an easy reference book to go to and look through to find the perfect stencil and design for your project. I even like to put the number of the stencil on the page so that if I can't find the stencil and I need to reorder it, I have the number handy. So when you get a new stencil it into your reference book. And don't forget to write down the name and number of the stencil. I hope this tip helps you create a reference book of all the stencils you might have.